Which part are you doing now? The pepperoni? First the pepperoni. Are you eating some too?
No.
Mmm. Is that your favorite ingredient?
No.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Does Tata like a lot of pepperoni or a little?
A lot.
He likes a lot. Oh, good. I put it on around the edges too. Yep.
Ow.
And now the last thing, we're going to sprinkle on some fresh.
What?
What is it?
Lashes.
Fresh herbs.
Lashes.
Sprinkle. Just sprinkle them. All around. Woo! Good job. Good job, Chef Layla.
I'm gonna put a lot.
Okay. Great job.
I did it.
All right. Is your pizza ready to bake?
Not yet.
What else do you have to? Oh, more pepperoni, huh? All right. We'll say bye-bye.
Bye bye.